Hello everybody! Today we're going to be learning how to do a Ralph Laurie. If you don't know what a Ralph Laurie is, basically you could do it on either side of your peg. So from a seat stander, you would drop a leg down and stick out, or other leg. I can only do it this way when I do circle wheelies because I circle left, so you'll have to figure out which side is more natural for you. If you could do both, that's cool. I'm not really good at going straight in both of them, but yeah. So first thing we're gonna do, if you want to be able to do a Ralph Laurie, pretty much probably gonna have to be able to do a seat stander wheelie. So make sure you can do that first. There's a bolt in the ground. Once you could do a seat stander wheelie, you could probably get into it two ways. You could go forward or you could go backward. For me, that's a big drop, so I go backwards because forward is a big step. But if you have an adjustable sub cage and it's like up front more, it might be easier going forward, but it's not for me. So I'm gonna go do my seat stander wheelie, then I'm just gonna step around back, find it with my foot, and we're out of space, so we will turn around and resume. Once you have your foot on, if you just stand there, you're gonna notice your bike's gonna pull real hard one way. So the way that you're gonna counter lean and go straight is basically I'm gonna lean my body way over to the left since I'm doing it to the right, and maybe even kind of you'll feel like you're pulling your bars over. So we'll get up, step down, and we go right if we don't counter. But if we do counter lean our body, basically push our bars to the left. This lot's a little bit slanted, but yeah, we'll straighten out doing it that way. That's why for me, trying to do it, I don't seem to be able to do that very well if I do it from the left side. Once you're up and you're in Ralph Laurie and you want to get back out of Ralph Laurie, I get back by stepping forward, because I step back, so I'm not going to go around behind, I'm going to go back in front. So yeah guys, that's really all there is to it. It's pretty dang simple. The biggest tip that you'd probably need is just knowing that you're going to want to counter lean your body way over when you stick your leg out. And also, like say you want to foot drag Ralph Laurie, it's easier to bring your foot in to foot drag, or like whatever you're gonna do. If you're dipping a Ralph Laurie, it's a lot harder to dip it all spread out than it is to like tuck into the Ralph Laurie a little more. Pretty quick, easy tutorial. Hopefully this helped you guys if you've been struggling with it. There's a train screaming. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.